Fuck is bragging, fuck is popping, you know what the fuck going on. Bap! Slide. Better watch where you steppin'. I call up twin, he gon' lift you in second. Got a one-way ticket all the way to heaven. Come to my trap, can't pull with a weapon.
Yeah, and you know that shit no question. You know I'm strapped up, I keep it smooth the rest. VVS diamonds fine like they take. Headshot gang, I had to teach them lessons.
My little slime skimming with finesse. Now I'm ready with the pistol and bet. You get down 5 seconds, it don't take 30 seconds. And it's quick draw shit, think she don't really sketch. Got no ID, man, my bitch by a weapon. We switching the track cause they tryna come catch. I told you before, better watch where you step. Them niggas, they know me, I feel like I'm skeptic.
Carlito told me he don't fuck with peasant. I'm in the trap rubbing wrist like a present. A nigga got popped, who the fuck he test? I'm smoking new op pack like a set. I got a bad bitch cashing out on web. She getting that cash, she is now with the test. My RG niggas doing drills and legs. My bitch ass fat like the hoe from Texas. Yeah, I keep the Glock on my session. I always catch straps on me in our session. These niggas gon' stay turn into some feds. I stay in DC like I'm with the rest.
This brand new glizzy popping at your melon. Got 7 ops, then I'm shooting 11. New York straight to Clayco with some fellas. Real trap nigga do it for investments. Real street nigga, why the fuck you testing? Mac baller, he ain't ballin' our bitch. Money long like it came with extension. All that talking got my bro a sense. High as fuck cause this lean what I'm sipping. We slide in the whip, switch it like it's drink. Chat when I wake, woke up in the kitchen. How many at my fire be spit?
Gotta watch these niggas cause they be switched. My Pharaoh in the trap house, it's the kitchen. Baby Glock 9 and it got a stitch. Mag 10 hit a nigga with precision. Yeah, I put the bread on the witness. A nigga got popped for making bad decisions. My niggas crash out like a head on collision. Got a light skinned bitch, but that hoe Egyptian. Damn, I heard you pay her tuition. I spread a whole block, now they need forensics. I just cashed out, spend it on my lenses. This RG gang, we all about the business. First nigga try it, you know he get finished. You know I can't snitch, man, that shit forbidden. Man, all the blue racks, my